तो ऐसा क्या है अबाउट रिच क्विक स्कीम कि लोगों को स्कैमी लगता है?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत डीप रूटेड प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेसिफिकली विद इंडियंस. I mean, there was a very interesting thing that I was reading. There's something called as the Legatum Prosperity Index, जिसपे इंडिया 121 पे रैंक करता है.
क्या होता है ये?
What basically that means is how many Indians trust each other. In short,
Okay.
उसका बहुत बड़ा definition है. But in short, how many Indians trust each other? And 66% Indians do not trust each other. 66% Indians do not trust each other. And now you take that trust level, that basically means 33% Indians only they trust each other. Now you take that statistic and apply it into a field like trading, जो already बहुत skepticism में भरा हुआ है. That gives you such a small number of people who would actually believe in it. So I think that's where it's coming from. But to answer your question, it is a lot, first of all, skepticism है. उसके बाद education नहीं है. When it comes to this particular industry, education नहीं है, लोगों को exactly पता नहीं क्या है. Maximum एक इंसान अपनी लाइफ में सीखता है, तो जॉब करने के बाद ये सीखता है कि भाई SIP करना चाहिए, म्यूचुअल फंड करना चाहिए. करेक्ट. ट्रेडिंग तो लोग बोलते हैं दूर भागो, जुआ है, गैम्बलिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो ट्रेडिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात हो गई. इन्वेस्टिंग को लेके इतना बड़ा स्टिग्मा है, पीपल वुड रादर डू FD than get into investing, right? So I think that's where it's all coming from. I also think मेरे केस में, when I talk about myself, I think मेरे केस में एज का फैक्टर भी बहुत मैटर करता है, because when people see a 23-year-old doing stuff like this, that is even more skeptical. The kind of things that I say, I challenge a lot of traditional beliefs.
Like what?
So there's one of my reels went way crazy. It has like 40-50 million views. 40-50 million views. उसमें मैंने बोला, if your father is not a millionaire, he cannot teach you how to become a millionaire.
Okay.
And people got pissed at it. They were like, why are you disrespecting and all of that. And उसमें मैंने बोला है कि see, it's not about disrespect or respect. I'm not saying your father is a bad person. I am just saying कि अगर आपके father ने जिंदगी में सिर्फ महीने का 5 लाख रुपया कमाया है, he doesn't have the capacity to teach you 50 लाख कैसे कमाना है. आपको किसी और से सीखना पड़ेगा. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ अपने फादर को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करो. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे इंसान से सीखो जो 50 लाख कमा रहा है, वो आपको सिखा पाएगा. So when I said that, people got triggered. They got triggered badly कि कैसे डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर सकता है वो. बट मेरा वो मतलब ही नहीं था. I was just challenging the traditional belief, because everybody thinks कि, you know, my father is my hero. Yes, absolutely. Make him your hero. But there has to be somebody who will teach you things he cannot teach you. And that's just the reality of it. So that is one thing.
और
उसके बाद I have another one reel with, it has 200 million views. And उसमें I was showing a Bugatti, ठीक है. उसमें Bugatti was about 40 crores. उस पे 80 करोड़ का नंबर प्लेट था. And I was like, ये गाड़ी में 80 करोड़ का है, and this is his total is 120 crore rupees. And then I was like, if you're wearing a Cartier watch worth 7 lakhs, you feel poor. And that is why आपका environment बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. तो अगर आप इंडिया में हो एंड आप घर से नीचे उतर के RX 100 स्प्लेंडर ये सब देख रहे हो, यू डोंट फील मोटिवेटेड. तो पीपल वर डिफेंडिंग द बाइक RX 100 कि RX 100 इज अ लेजेंड, यू कांट से दिस टू. एंड आई एम लाइक, दिस इज व्हाई पीपल आर बिहाइंड. They're defending RX 100. What is your problem? I am telling you to change your environment. Focus on that.
why do you think people are behind? Because they are defending something.
They are on surface level. They don't go into the depth of concepts. They don't want to understand things. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. They'll just doom scroll. They'll watch. Attention span वैसे ही छोटा हो गया लोगों का. They'll watch. They'll label. They'll scroll. That is the routine. And I also believe very strongly कि जब आप Instagram खोलते हो, whatever you see on your feed, explore feed, that is where you're headed in life. Because that's what you're consuming. If I open my feed and I'm seeing comedy shows, I'm seeing people making fun of each other, I'm not seeing intellectual posts, that is where I'm heading, because that's what I'll consume. So most of the people, what they have in their feeds.
Interesting concept. But proof of the pudding is कि पैसे कितने कमाए. So if you have 100 rupees, out of 100 rupees, कितने पैसे trading से आए?
If I have 100 rupees, at least 60-70 rupees are from trading.
Okay.
I'm not saying 100%. It's not true. 60-70 is from trading.
And बाकी के पैसे?
बाकी के पैसे would be from my university education business course selling.
कितना?
Course selling से it should be 30. बाकी का 10 would be from other things that we do. मतलब सब कभी-कभी हो गया. I also run a social media sort of agency company. मतलब that is just purely to help out friends.
Okay, but 70% is out of trading.